and closing your eyes. Letting out a deep sigh. Letting go of the day. Another deep sigh. Letting go of any tightness. Any tension. Any tiredness. Anywhere in your body. Becoming aware of your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with every breath. Notice if your breath is fast or slow. Deep or shallow. As you breathe, observe if you have any thoughts. Simply look at your thoughts. Observe them. Notice the distance between you and your thoughts. Is it very near you? Like maybe at the tip of your nose? Or is it about a meter away from you? Try to see if you can put some distance between you and your thoughts. Sending them further in front of you. Six meters in front of you. And just observe them from that distance. Now coming back to your breath. Allowing your thoughts to pass by like a parade. No need to follow them. Notice how you feel this moment. Any sensations in the body that are present. Awareness of your chest. Awareness of how your heart feels. Inhaling from your heart. Exhaling from your heart. Feeling your heart as you observe any thoughts. As you observe them, sending them your love. Breathing in from the heart. Breathing out from the heart. Observing if there's any resistance anywhere in your body. Anywhere in your field. Inhaling from your heart. Exhaling from the heart. Beaming out your light. To the front, to the back, to the sides, below, and above. From your center, allowing love, your essence, to radiate outwards, radiating love, radiating peace, radiating calm, inhaling from the heart, exhaling from the heart. In and out. Seeing and sensing the room filled with bright white light. Every inch of the space immersed in white light. Breathing this white light. illuminating your body, awakening every cell, bringing in life force energy into every cell. Allowing each cell, nerve, fiber to be illumined, healed, supported, embraced. By the light. The light from your heart becoming brighter and bigger with every breath. Resting in the heart. Gratitude for today. For the many challenges. For the blessings. For the gifts. For the miracles. Inhaling through your heart. Feeling gratitude. Exhaling through your heart. The feeling of letting go. The feeling of allowing. And accepting. Even embracing. Embracing with love. Unconditional love. Unconditional peace. Unconditional joy. Taking a deep breath in. Slowly and gently letting go. Staying aware in the heart. Staying aware of the light everywhere. Staying aware of the peace that is in you. Awareness of your body. Awareness of where your body is in the space. Finding your fingers and toes. And whenever you're ready, slowly and gently coming back.